Matt Hultquist here with the QuickBooks University. Hey, I wanted to show you kind of a cool thing that I don't think a lot of people know about with the QuickBooks desktop version. You run into this sometimes when you are doing something in QuickBooks and you say to yourself, I wish that QuickBooks would do this, or I wish they would do this that would help me run my business better. It could be, who knows? It could be better collection of accounts receivable, better inventory management. It could be that you have to import a bunch of information from an Excel file or some other file to get into QuickBooks. For example, I know a lot of third-party softwares, it could be for a retail store or like a POS system or even like a Concur file. They export to Excel or to a CSV file, and you have to import that into QuickBooks. So that can be difficult. How do you do that? All right. So here's what I wanted to show you, that if you ever run into that situation where you're like, I need to look to see if QuickBooks will help me do this, and you just can't find it, we want to go to the desktop app store from Intuit. Okay, so let's go up here, go to Edit. We're going to go to Preferences. And you'll see here there's this Integrated Applications option. If you choose that and go to Company Preferences, you're going to see the applications that are have integrated access to this QuickBooks file. Now, of course, you can turn this off, but in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to click this right here. Learn about applications that integrate with QuickBooks. Okay, so I click that, and it's going to take me online. Let me move this window over here, and you'll see that it takes you to apps for QuickBooks Desktop, and there are a bunch of them. Okay. So look here, you'll see featured applications, categories, business function, industry, hosting approved, etc. Okay, so if we go to business function, now you're going to see there are a ton of them under here. Okay, so there's time tracking, lots of time tracking. If I go to accounts payable, you'll see, all sorts of ones here, Avalara's, sales tax. There's ACH files, shipping refunds, lots and lots. Let's go to accounts receivable. There's Shopify, WooCommerce, which a lot of clients use for inventory management and retail. Okay, billing and invoicing. The one I was talking about where you import transactions is Transaction Pro Importer. We use that quite a bit with clients with desktop QuickBooks files. That's something that like I said, if they're using a third-party software that exports the data to Excel or CSV, you can use this and import it all into QuickBooks pretty simply. It's a great program. You go down to commission management, CRM software, etc., e-commerce. There's just all sorts of things here. So what I would do is go here and just look through some of these, because there may be things that you're doing in your business, for example, that are taking you longer, or you think, geez, this is kind of a pain in QuickBooks. Go to this app store here and take a look at it. You may find that there's an app out there that is going to help you do your job that much easier, and it integrates directly with your QuickBooks file. So you don't have to re-enter information. You don't have to, recreate the wheel, and it may save you hours and hours of time. Okay. So check it out and go there, and hopefully that'll help you run your business a little bit smoother. My name is Matt Hultquist with the QuickBooks University. We'll talk to you soon.